Hi everybody, this is Dr. OG from MP Skills Made Easy Workshops, and you're listening to the Prescriber Essentials podcast, the show that helps you delve into the world of clinical skills and knowledge for clinicians who love to continually improve their clinical skills. I discuss content to help you grow professionally and the opportunities and strategies to provide excellent care like a pro.
Most nurse practitioners are completing their continuing education in a way that actually hurts their long-term clinical confidence. When it's time to renew your license, you search for a few courses, pick the ones that meet the requirements, and complete them as quickly as possible. Then you repeat the process next year. And yes, it does get the job done, but it doesn't necessarily make you a stronger clinician. The problem with random CE is that there's no real structure. You're taking courses based on what's available or convenient, but not based on a clear learning path that builds your knowledge over time. That means that you may be collecting credits, but you're not actually building competence. This approach can lead to major knowledge gaps. You might take multiple courses in one area simply because they were easy to find, and then you completely miss updates and best practices in other critical areas of primary care. And over time, those gaps can add up, and they affect how confident you feel when you're making your clinical decisions. Without structured ongoing learning, it's common to start second-guessing your choices, relying more heavily on reference tools or feeling unsure when you encounter less familiar conditions. This is not a lack of ability, it's a lack of consistent reinforcement and progression in your education. On top of that, random CE often ends up costing more in the long run. You're constantly searching for new courses, paying for them individually, and still not getting a comprehensive learning experience that supports day-to-day practice. A better approach is to follow a structured continuing education plan that's designed to build your skills step by step, reinforce key concepts, and keep you up to date across all areas. That is exactly what the MP Skills Made Easy membership was created to do. Instead of piecing together your education from random sources, you get access to our library of accredited courses, live education with instructor videos, and hands-on skills workshop, all in one place. This allows you to focus on learning and growth rather than constantly searching for your next credit. And so if you're ready to stop collecting random credits and start building real clinical confidence, you can learn more about the membership using the link in the description below. We'd love to see you there.
If you like what you hear on this show, then be sure to check out our Prescriber Essentials Academy, which is a continuing education platform where we delve deeper. Visit schools.mpskillsmadeeasy.com to join us. See you on the other side.